Hello students, purchase process. In this presentation I'm going to explain you some easy tips to improve the purchasing process in my company. I am going to create a team dedicated only to the purchasing process. These people will have to attend all the requirements for the suppliers and to send just in team the purchase orders. Also, we will evaluate our supplies with quality indicators in all its processes and products. This is going to show us if there is something that can be done better and if it's necessary to look for a new perfect partner for us. As a leading company in the market, we hope to develop many long-term relationships with our suppliers. This is going to let us achieve specific goals and to be able to have some benefits in the future. How do the company pretend to manage costs? Just with the right communication between the suppliers and us. They will create a new plan of deliveries in order to minimize the need of too much storage. Each semester, we are going to renegotiate the agreements with our suppliers to establish new terms and achieve new goals for both companies. In this way, we also plan to perform an annual review of all the company suppliers. Thank you so much.